Profits will flow with these tips in affiliate marketing. Do you find your website's affiliate marketing plan is working? Want to learn how to help improve upon it? If you are ready, then you have come to the right place. The tips that are listed below contain advice on what you can do to create a better affiliate marketing plan. If you are depending on affiliate marketing for your full or even part-time income, good time management is essential. It's easy to get caught up in researching your product or even in watching your email. Track what you do each day and how long it takes you to complete each of your tasks, so that you can see how your earnings break down compared to the time you're spending. Take advantage of press releases to boost your internet marketing efforts. Using a press release is a great way to raise awareness about your business and to reach new customers. There are a number of online distribution networks available for sharing press releases, making it easy to announce newsworthy items related to your business. A profitable affiliate marketing program should require no more than an hour and a half of supervision per day. While the time cost of affiliate programs will be greater during the initial setup period, website owners who find themselves spending 2, 3 or more hours dealing with their affiliates every day, should rethink their affiliate partnerships. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, ensure that your affiliate company offers resources that help you to generate sales. These resources should include banners and text links, as well as templates for recommendation letters. An affiliate company should be willing to help you earn as many commissions as possible. After watching through this video, you ought to be a bit excited to start experimenting and trying new programs and plans. Hopefully, these new things will yield results that work for you. If not, try something else until you are pleased with the results. That's the best part about affiliate marketing, you can experiment with it. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.